Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tree Loves to Resell is my channel. And I'm also on Instagram, so the information will be down in the description. So thanks for joining me, you guys. I am going to do a Threadup men's unboxing. And I have a confession to make. I already opened the box because I wanted to do some research on the pieces so I could talk a little bit about it, because this box was a mixed rescue box, and I want to say it was only like 15 pieces, 10 piece. It was a 10-piece box, and I paid $59.35 with shipping and tax. So basically $60. So let's just get right into it. I have my notes here that I've written down. So I went through it already and I wrote my notes. So I don't know. I wasn't that crazy about the box. Spoiler alert. It was okay. I will definitely be doing a follow-up to this to see if I make money, because I don't know that I will, but we'll see. The first thing that I opened was these. Ooh. Anyways, they're South Pole Authentic Collection. Know nothing about these jeans. They are 31, 32. No, I'm sorry. I have two things written. These jeans didn't have a size. I couldn't find a size on them. There's 36-inch waist, 14-inch rise, and 24-inch inseam. So there you go. That was these. They're like the big carpenter style. I really don't know. I didn't have a chance to look to see how much they go for. But you know what? Let's do it right now, really quickly. So I'm looking it up on my computer right now, and let's see. Okay, 25 bucks. That's about what they go for. $25. Here's one pair that has some distressing for 45. Here's another pair for 45. Dark wash. These have the flaps on the back with the embroidery. So I'm thinking around 20, 25. That's kind of what I thought. The next item was a pair of Dockers, and they were camo 29 by 30. You know, 20 bucks maybe. Not doing too good. This was not, I don't know. I didn't think this was a great box. I mean, I've seen some of the boxes and I'm like, wow, that's what got me excited to order one, but this wasn't that great. But oh well. Smug, SMOG, size 31, 32. I don't know. They're just regular old jeans. Not really that crazy about them. Next thing is this Rich Cotton zip-up hoodie. Never heard of it. Again, never heard of the brand. Not so sure, but never heard of the brand. But I'll list it. Don't know. Next thing was, I did get this, which was great. A great recovery. I don't know what size. It's just their vented tee. So I'll get 20 bucks, 25 at the most. It's a black. I couldn't find the size. And I know that they hide the size, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I know sometimes it's in the sleeve. I know sometimes it's on the rim or on the, on the bottom, but it's not here. So I don't know. I'll measure it. Actually I found it. It's an extra large. I probably will get a lot of comments about this, but I'm not really a big Lululemon fan. It doesn't sell that great for me. It's oversaturated. It's okay. Obviously I'll list it and it'll sell, but I mean, it's like 20 bucks. The next piece is this. And this was Free World, I don't know. Quality Construction, I don't know. I don't know what that is. Size 32. I don't know. Whatever. Khakis. I don't know. I'm not really that thrilled, you can see. And underwear. I don't know. Again, I don't know. I guess I'll list them. You can list new underwear. They're in the package. They're my husband's size. Maybe I'll ask him if he wants them. Oh. I mean, really? Well, underwear do cost like 20, 25 bucks. So I could probably list those and get 10 or 15. I don't know. This was fine. I actually had just sourced one of these. It has not sold yet. This is a size medium, so it'll be easy for me to list because I sourced an extra large. I'll just do a sell similar on my own listing. So this was fine. This was nice. I'll list that, you know, 15, 20 bucks. So the best piece was this one. Honestly, it's this really nice jacket. It's a polo. I was kind of stressed when I first opened this box because I was like, oh my gosh, this is not a very good box. But I can honestly say that this jacket is very nice. This is Blaze. It's 100% wool. It's a 54. So let's just, for the sake of it, let me just quickly look this up and see. Polo, Ralph Lauren, men's, blazer, size 54. Let's just see what it's going to sell for. Okay, well, they're listed. There's really none listed in here for that size. Not very many. You know, they're listed for quite a bit. They're anywhere between $80 on up. Okay, so you know what? That is a good find. That is a good, thank goodness. I will, I'll definitely have to do some more research on that. So I'm not sure exactly what I'll list that jacket at. It's black and it's wool. It's very nice. You know what? I don't know if it's blue. I almost think it might be blue. It's up against my black sweater. Yeah, it's navy blue, deep navy blue. It is really nice with these beautiful gold buttons. Total Comfort, Lauren, Ralph Lauren. So this will actually make up for the box. If I could sell this, I would be happy. And if I can sell a couple of the other pieces, I would be happy. So there you have it. I got a jacket, a pretty nice jacket, a shirt, a t-shirt, a hoodie, and 4 pair of pants. You know, I'm not a big pants person. I don't really like listing pants. I don't source pants. So yeah, anyways, there you have it. That is my men's box. If I were to buy another box, I would buy more pieces in hopes of getting, you know, the cost of goods down, in hopes of getting some other better pieces. So I do like doing these things because you learn a little bit. For the most part, you know, you do end up making your money back. So there you go. Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for joining me. If you like these kinds of videos, I will have lots of more coming up, and I do have some on my channel already. I will create a playlist for you, and you can just go watch all the Threadup unboxings that you want. So thanks so much for joining me. If you like this kind of content and you want to see some more reseller business type tips and tricks and reseller information, consider subscribing to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much. See you on the next one. Bye.